So I got some extra little goodies here for the steering wheel, start button, some stickers I might put on. This is what the steering wheel looks like before. The old buttons, old button. So stay tuned, we're about to change them. This is what it looks like, that new start button. Looks way sportier now. So I'm on my way to have some nice pictures taken, some stills, rollers. It's gonna be really cool. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek. But if you wanna actually see them when they're done, just go on my Instagram, link in description. And they're gonna be great. Just finished taking some nice photos over here with the sunset. And I do have the car done from the shop, almost done. It just has one more fault. I can't really step on it or anything. But once it's done, I'll show you guys the big surprise. Go, just doing some revisions as time goes by so I can finish this 91 cube. Hardscore did a great job rebuilding the head, upgrading Crankhub. The top mount was leaking, so I upgraded that too. And now we're headed to a friend's house. He said he has some new car that came in, so I want to check that out. There's a surprise. I don't know if you guys heard already when I took off, but I'll show you guys in the next video. It's a big surprise that we also did at Hardscore while the car was down. So stay tuned for that.
Just got a new M4.
No way, let's see.
Here's the reveal.
Oh yeah, it's sick, I approve.
Just got my new 428i. It's clean.
Dang, let's see underneath.
Yeah.
Completely
It's
stock.
clean.
I spun the crank hub on the way home.
It completely stock, no crank hub?
I did a crank hub delete so I don't spin it.
Oh, it's rusty, the rotors.
A lot of old people.
You did a crank hub delete?
You know, like a lot of old guys on the forums are all like, I'm gonna keep my car stock, just get the crank hub fixed.
You doing the crank hub?
Yeah, just a precaution.
Let me see the angle right here.
I think that's all, Danny.
And dusty.
Hang on, this one is not completely off.
Do it before.
Are you upgrading the front mount?
Yeah.
Well, this thing has so many coolers.
Dude.
It's salvage, right? But it's just the front end that's kind of broken.
Just a little bit.
Dang, this is sick though.
It's
I'm
exactly.
glad you got
It's
it.
exactly the same spec. Well, it has
That's mine? This
has
looks
the
like
stone
mine
seats.
too. The Silverstone?
Yeah.
That's sick. What other packages
Give
does
me
it have?
a different one.
It has a carbon roof.
Carbon roof? Dang, yours is sick. No, mine has a glass roof. I wish I had the carbon. Looks like my buddy got an M4 as well. Same color, original color that I have. It just a little bit hit in the front, but it's a pretty fun project, looks like. And in next video, I'll show you guys what I did to the car. Big surprise. It's really fun driving it, and we'll see you in next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Like the video, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.